Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get a collar for your Kubrow and other pets in Warframe. A collar is required to customize and equip your pet, and it becomes available after completing the Howl of the Kubrow quest. To obtain a collar, you must complete the story quest Howl of the Kubrow. This quest unlocks after completing the Venus to Mercury junction. Once unlocked, the quest starts with Lotus asking you to acquire an incubator segment on Venus. Once you get the segment, install it in your orbiter. Next, the quest asks you to find a Kubrow egg to incubate. You can obtain the egg by destroying Kubrow dens in Grenier Forest missions on Earth. During the quest, this has a 100% chance to drop an egg. You can also buy an egg from the market. Just go to the market and search for Kubrow. As you can see, the Kubrow is available for 10 platinum with an egg and an incubator. Incubate and mature a Kubrow in the final phase of the quest. You must defend your Kubrow in combat to earn its favor. Once you complete the quest, you will receive the Kubrow collar, which can be used on any pet that can be incubated. And that's it. We just learned how to obtain and unlock a collar by completing the Howl of the Kubrow quest, including acquiring the incubator segment, obtaining an egg, and defending your Kubrow to earn its favor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.